Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video today. I have been like crazy busy lately, you know how it goes. Anyway, I never really talked about the medium format camera that I picked up last year. I mentioned it briefly in my 1 year of film photography video, but then I never touched on it again. Back in September last year at the London Vintage Camera Show, I picked up a Mamiya RB67 medium format camera. Shoots 6x7 on 120 film. I picked it up from All Things Film. They were selling it at their booth. They are the lab that develops and scans all my images. So it is a very cumbersome camera, so I don't really get out to shoot with it much, but it's pretty spectacular with the quality you get from medium format. I found that you do have to use a tripod like most of the time, unless you're using like a high-speed film, of course. I have run about 4 rolls through it. I have my 5th one in there right now. It is an expired roll of Fuji Pro 400H. I've got like 2 shots left on that, but anyway, I just wanted to show a few of the pictures that I've taken from those 4 rolls on this camera. Hopefully I'll get to do like a POV video with it sometime, but I can't tell you when that would be because but I hope it's soon. Anyways, but yeah, let's get on to the pictures. That's it for now, guys. Thanks a million for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and I will catch you on the next vid.